They have some copyrighted music playing here, so I might have to play other music and voice over this, but I'll show you around here real quick. Here they have this truck cab, and there's actually some speakers in that old truck cab, some outdoor speakers. Might be enough of that. And, you know, stop signals and other cactus. And look, there's just cactus just all around this store. Here, we'll go over towards the front of the store here. More traffic signals. And look at all these cactus they have out front. Pretty, it's really nicely done. But we just stopped here for a minute real quick. Grab an iced tea. We're gonna try to make our way. There you go, birds. We're gonna try to make our way over towards Tucson before it gets dark, and it's already mid to late afternoon. These are giant. I love those. More Christmas lights on these cactus and on these posts. They have signs all around here that says, "Do not feed the coyotes." So we won't do that. Oh, look, there's a flower on this cactus. Check that out. That is pretty cool. All right, Bella patiently awaits me. And we have, I think, 98 miles to go. I'd like to get there before it gets dark. And the sun is somewhere in there. So I don't know that we're gonna make it, but we're gonna get on our way. There's some really nice BLM land about 2 miles south of where the store is. And we stopped down there for a minute. And I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. You know, they had another one of those pesky signs. I think we turn right here. Junction 86.
Take the next right onto Arizona 86 East.
Just wasn't feeling it. Yeah, they had another one of them pesky signs that warn you. One of those travel warnings about smuggling and...
Continue on Arizona 86 East for 110 miles.
Yeah, 110 miles. Oh. And illegal immigration may be encountered. So, you know, it's not that I trust, you know, these areas are well patrolled, and there's actually a huge border patrol facility. It's like a main headquarters right here in Y, Arizona. I know this is well patrolled, but still they put up the warnings nonetheless, and that's good. I have a feeling this 86 here, I looked on the map, I don't think there's anything. This may be similar to Highway 50, America's loneliest highway. There may not be much of anything between here and Tucson, but we're gonna get on with it. We got plenty of gas, and I wish we had as much daylight as we had gas, but we're gonna roll here and see. Maybe, who knows, maybe we'll come across something cool on the way. But let's go. Gone through a few small mountain ranges, nothing too out of control, but and we have a few more up ahead, but it's been pretty easy going. I think this town is called Sells, and we've had to slow it down here a little bit through town, but we're making pretty good time. Most of this highway is pretty good, 65 mile an hour. I still don't think we're gonna make it before dark. See, we've got, yeah, like 50 miles to go. So we're a little over halfway. We got 110 to go, so we're down to 50. Straight ahead looks huge from here, and I know it doesn't on the camera. This is probably the last sunshine we're going to see today. Between it being this late in the day and as cloudy as it is, it's a wonder we're seeing this little bit. Well, we still have 31 miles to go. I don't know. Sure would be nice to get where we're going before it's too dark. What do you think, girl? Getting pretty late today. Pretty late. Looks like we're going to stop at another Border Patrol checkpoint up here. Huh. This looks like a new one, actually. Looks like a pretty new structure. It's a working dog ahead. Border Patrol Immigration Checkpoint ahead. Alright, thanks. Okay, all clear. Miles to go, and it's getting dark. Well, it's getting darker by the minute, and that's something else the camera doesn't show very well. I wish it was still that light out. We're headed for a little area of BLM land on the west end of Tucson, and it's called Snyder Hill. And it's the first place, I think it's the very first BLM land I ever stayed on. My very first year out here to the southwest. That was with a different RV and a different dog. It was a different time. But we're going to go stay there tonight. And hopefully we don't have too much problem getting in there. Because like I say, it's much darker than what the camera is showing. It's getting darker by the minute. But we only have 5.4 miles to go, so we'll get in there one way or the other. Now this is weird. I'm trying to think when the last time was I seen traffic lights. Huh. I didn't really have to think about that. Wow. When did I see traffic lights last? There. We've been away from any major civilization. Oh, I guess there was one traffic light back in Ajo. There was one. And before that, I don't know. Could have been Yuma. I don't think Google Maps updated this area right here. This was a relatively new intersection I think they put in here not too long ago, in the last year or two. But it has me going up the road a little ways yet, circling around, when it's really just right here. That's Snyder Hill right there to the left. So I think we just made it. I'll be able to see over there a little bit. Just went in there. Ooh, easy. Alright, we're gonna get in here and find us a spot here somewhere. I think this will do. We might find us a better spot in the morning. I think we might stay here at Snyder Hill for maybe a day or two. I think somebody's tired. Are you tired, girl? Yeah, me too. I don't think we're going to stay here in the Tucson area very long. Some plans have changed with, just some plans have changed. So we might get up in the morning actually and just start hightailing it across the country and be done in the Southwest for the season. So anyway, we'll be back soon, and we're going to continue on our way. Thanks for coming along today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Anything else? Nope. I'll see you next time, and good night.